Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, no-nonsense beauty insights. Today, we're tackling an often overlooked area of personal care, oral hygiene. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oral care doesn't always get the same spotlight as skincare or makeup. But let's face it, we all want that fresh, confident smile, right? That's where DenTek Triple Clean Floss Picks and DenTek Slim Brush Interdental Cleaners come in. Whether you're dealing with tight spaces between your teeth or wearing braces, these products promise to elevate your oral hygiene routine. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Let's break down the DenTek Triple Clean Floss Picks and the DenTek Slim Brush Interdental Cleaners. These are two products designed to clean those tricky spots between your teeth where regular brushing doesn't always reach. The Floss Picks come in a 150-count pack, featuring ultra-strong textured floss that won't break, even in those super tight spaces. Plus, the Interdental Cleaners, with their tapered brushes, work wonders for those with braces or narrow gaps between their teeth. And they're all disposable, which means you get a fresh, clean brush every time you use it. The added bonus? They come with a mouthwash blast flavor, leaving your mouth feeling fresh after every use. When I tried these products, I found them both incredibly easy to use. The Floss Picks slide between teeth with minimal effort, and the textured surface really grabs onto food particles and plaque. What stood out to me was the strength of the floss. No breakage, even between my tighter teeth. It really held up, and I didn't have to worry about snapping or fraying mid-use. The Slim Brush Interdental Cleaners were great for getting into even the most difficult-to-reach areas, especially with braces. The tapered brush design allows for precise cleaning, and the comfort wire is gentle enough not to cause any irritation on my gums. I loved how simple it was to incorporate both of these into my daily routine, and they really left my mouth feeling clean and refreshed. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The Floss Picks are a major win for me. They're strong, durable, and the textured surface makes a noticeable difference in cleaning. I also appreciate the large pack. 150 Floss Picks should last you a good while. On the downside, the handle could be a bit more ergonomic, but that's a minor gripe compared to the overall performance. As for the Slim Brush Interdental Cleaners, the disposable nature is a huge plus, ensuring that each use feels fresh. The brush is effective, but depending on the size of the gaps between your teeth, you may find it a bit tricky to use in the smallest spaces. Value for money? Absolutely. Both products are affordable, especially considering the number of floss picks and brushes you get per pack. Given the quality and durability of the floss, the price feels more than justified. Plus, having disposable, fresh brushes and floss every time makes the investment feel worthwhile. In terms of alternatives, there are other floss picks and interdental brushes out there. But DenTek's products stand out because of their durability and easy-to-use design. They're especially great for anyone with braces or tight spaces between teeth. If you're on the hunt for something a little more eco-friendly, some brands offer reusable interdental brushes, but DenTek's disposables are more convenient for those always on the go. I have to say, these products really impressed me. They deliver on their promises, providing a deep clean between teeth and around braces. The comfort and strength of the floss, along with the effectiveness of the interdental brush, make these two products stand out. I would definitely recommend them to anyone looking for a reliable and effective way to up their oral hygiene game. Before I wrap this up, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get these products, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used these products, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.